Bakery products. Bakery products combine craftsmanship, flavor, and variety to meet diverse tastes and occasions. From delicate pastries with rich fillings, to freshly baked breads with unique textures, to desserts designed for celebration, these creations reflect both traditional techniques and creative expression in the culinary field.
Pastry. Taste of the Town, with food critic Darren Smith. This week I discovered excellent pastries at two local bakeries. 𝗙cie𝗰𝗯𝘂𝗶𝗲𝘀 pastry shop was my first stop. The shop has several specialty custards that they use in their tasty croissant and choux pastries. Everything I tasted at 𝗙cie𝗰𝗯𝘂𝗶𝗲𝘀 was superb, but I especially recommend the raspberry Danish. This heavenly puff pastry has a delicate, light, flaky texture. It is topped with custard and fresh berries. Sugarloaf Bakery has a window from the seating area into the kitchen. Get there early and watch the bakers pound and roll the dough before they bake it. I fell in love with the short crust pastry. It is the foundation of Sugarloaf's many delicious pies and tarts. I was not as impressed with the donuts. They seemed crisp, so I suspect they were overcooked. Instead, try one of their creative phyllo pastries. They might be filled with nuts, cream cheese, or even ham.
Bread.
Midtown Bakery, wholesale. Midtown Bakery has provided high-quality breads for more than 15 years. Come taste why many local restaurants come to Midtown for this important staple. We bake fresh loaves daily and will never sell you something stale. Midtown has plenty of basic white bread for your restaurant's everyday needs. It's great for breakfast toast and soup sides. But we know that your customers might want something special. That's why we also have a number of other flavorful breads to choose from. Our healthy whole wheat bread has a soft, delicate crust for easy slicing. Add an extra twist to your classic sandwiches with our sourdough. We also have flatbread, for those who prefer bread that's not leavened. It doesn't look like much, but a thin slice is all you need.
Desserts.
𝗍𝗏𝗡𝗍𝗡 Catering. Let 𝗍𝗏𝗡𝗍𝗡 cater your special day. We offer great desserts for every occasion. Weddings. Did you know that more and more wedding couples are choosing cupcakes these days? Try it. Or, for something more traditional, choose from our wide selection of specialty wedding cakes. Either way, our cake artists will decorate it with your favorite frosting. Children's birthdays. It's no secret, kids love ice cream. We'll blend up a batch of milkshakes for your little folks. For health-conscious parents, we also have tasty fruit sorbet and low-fat frozen yogurt. Holidays. Complete your holiday meal with a warm, rich pumpkin pie or apple cobbler. Or let us whip up our famous double chocolate brownies. Your guests will thank you. Anytime. Our elaborate fruit parfaits are great for any occasion. We also offer sweet, creamy pudding in several enticing flavors. Come give it a taste.